Funnel and tunnel. Funnel. A funnel is a cone-shaped utensil or tool with a wide opening at the top and a narrow tube at the bottom used for guiding liquids or powders into a small opening or container. Examples: she used a funnel to pour the cake batter into the baking pan. The mechanic used a funnel to add oil to the car engine. Tunnel. A tunnel is a passageway through or under a mountain, river, or road, typically for vehicles or trains to pass through. Examples: the train entered the tunnel with a loud whistle. The road tunnel was closed for maintenance. Differences. The main difference between a funnel and a tunnel lies in their purpose and structure. A funnel is typically used for pouring or transferring substances, guiding them from a wide opening to a narrow one, whereas a tunnel is a passage meant for transportation, allowing vehicles or trains to pass through obstacles like mountains or rivers. Funnel has a conical shape, while a tunnel is typically a long, enclosed passageway. Despite their differences, both funnel and tunnel serve the purpose of directing something from one place to another, albeit in different contexts. In summary, while a funnel helps in transferring substances efficiently, a tunnel facilitates transportation through obstacles. Both words showcase how English language offers specific terms for different functions and structures, allowing for clear communication and understanding in various contexts.